To show or hide phone charge reminders or notifications pop up in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap show notifications. Select settings, and then tap show notifications are paused if you turn off show notification, and if turn on show notification, tap show notification are active, and then turn on live transcript and show notifications. If off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down, tap phone charge reminder, and then select alert to show phone charge reminder pop-up notification. Tap show as pop-up switch until blue, or to hide, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.